So the plug goes here in the back. You can see that. Turn it on. So I plugged it in, turning it on. Ooh. So I have to download the Rollo app. That was cool. I don't know if you guys saw that. I did that all by itself. I didn't do anything yet. So, okay, start. Bluetooth. So I'm not sure if you missed it, but this came out on its own. I will show that part again right now. I finally got it on. It is green and blue. Green means all ready to go. Blue means all set up to Wi-Fi. So I will show you something that I can print. I don't want to print a label right now because I do have some orders to go out, but I will print something. So hang on. I'll show you how it prints and then this unboxing will be over. Goes. So let's rip that off. And it says, Merry Christmas from Whyte Palm Studio Boutique. It's only going to be in black and white, but no ink. This is a label, so you can stick it on anything. Cool. All right, so that was it. My new Rollo. Excited. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. And look, my nails match. They're purple. Bye.